Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable symbol mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to symbol mode and just turn on this button symbol mode. So it will use specifically designed for the elderly with large fonts for the elderly with large fonts as well as custom functions that are symbols and reassuring. Okay, click on experience now and it will use symbol mode. Okay, you can set or exit symbol view here. Okay, this is called symbol mode. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable symbol mode. Suppose if you would like to exit from the symbol mode, what you have to do is go to the settings, then click on exit symbol view so that it will be exiting from this symbol mode. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable symbol mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.